So like the next question is we are gonna run like we are told to in Vulkan draw the line in blue color, ensure the x and y axes are seen in black and labeled as and well. The first one is a DDA algorithm line drawing between the starting point -3, 4 and ending point 5, -2. The other one is Bresenham line drawing algorithm between the starting point 3, 4 and ending point 4, 8. Let me open for the Bresenham line drawing algorithm also. Yeah, okay, this it's loading. Let's give it time. Okay, over here we, as usual, we have our vk main.cpp, which is the I've given imports over here to include all the C language imports. This is our main C++ file, and we have our Vulkan initialization file. So our Vulkan initialization file has all the methods as we defined before, which are here. The methods which I defined before, and they are private, which means that they can't be accessed from outside this class or this file. And the initialization of the methods are as follows. I declared each functionality of each method in the video that was entailing to draw a polygon that was to be filled with color, red color. So I'll go straight to the shader.fragment. So like in our shader.fragment, we also have our shader.vertices. So in our shader.fragment, we have our main here. All our code is inside our main. So what I've done is that we have started by implementing the Bresenham line drawing algorithm. We have given it a starting point of 3, which is XO, and 4, which is YO, and ending point of 4x1 and y1, which is 8. Also, like we have defined all our formulas over here, as you can see, and we have said that we have used the loop statement, which says that while true, like it should plot the code while this condition is true, which is always true, like it should plot the current pixel and also modify the condition based on your rendering setup, like how have you set up your Vulkan. And we have said that if x is the same as x1 and y is the same as y1, that we should break, that we have reached the end point and exit the loop. Like our x1, which is our ending point, and y1, of course, which is our ending point, it should break, like the current pixel should break. Also, we should check if the fragment position matches the current point of the line, which is if fragment position of x is the same as the float x, which is the current x. As you can see here, we have redefined the x and y as our starting point. Here it should be starting point, and here should be also a starting point, since there are 2 points starting starting point, yeah. And you have redefined them here as x and y again, and you have said if the fragment position matches the current point of the line, that the color the fragment should be white, like the output color, the outside color should be white, and our white color is defined by this color code here. Vec4 is defined by this color code, which is color white, and you should return it, of course. And we continue that we also have if also this one is used to handle our error, this code over here. The other one is if this error, okay, let me talk about this error handling is used like when the above conditions are not satisfied. So this error handling is invoked. You also have to check if x1 and y1, like if x is the same, x which is our starting point, is the same as x1 our ending point, and y which is our starting point also is the same as y1 which is our ending point, that it should plot the last pixel at the end point. And we should have commented here that you modify the conditions based on your rendering setup. Like I will encourage that you use white color for simplicity, which is the outside color, and of course our error handling over here. So our shader file over here, that we have defined our starting point A and our ending point, which is the for the like it's a sort of a fragment position, our fragment position over here. And that we have passed the vertex position to the fragment shader. As you're using GL position is equals to vec4, we have passed here over here, this is our position. This is our position over here, and we have passed the position to the fragment shader over here, position to the fragment shader. So like I will go and run the code. You'll see here on our device it's building. Let us give it time. Now it will launch. As you can see here, this is how our output has been since we started here. Let me show you. Let me explain for you. As you can see, it's changing white to. We also have white and black. Our white color is defined on the fragment here, right? And which here, this one over here. And our pixel started as we had given it instruction here, and probably ended here, and they did draw the line.